That's right, Amitabh. At least 43 policemen in an unprecedented move have been removed or suspended by the Maharashtra government for allegedly accepting bribes or being involved in crime. In the first case in Mumbai, a person was fed up with constant harassment and he caught the act on camera. The suspended policemen were attached to Nehru Nagar police station in Kurla, central Mumbai. Mohammad Khan, who was carrying out modification work at his friend's house at Kurla, was frequently threatened by the police that they would frame him in a case for carrying out illegal extension. He then taped the cops and gave the recording to the DCP. The police claim they want to send out a strong message against corruption in the ranks under suspension.
Not one, not two, not three, not even four, but 120 Mumbai cops who took bribes to turn a blind eye to allow illegal construction of just one room in a settlement colony of Chembur. The undeniable proof of the rot that has set in the system, how corruption is a norm and not an exception.
10 से 12 दिन में मैंने स्टिंग ऑपरेशन किया और 45 से 50 हजार रुपया मैंने पुलिस को रिश्वत दिया और 35 पुलिस वालों ने रिश्वत लिया और 35 पुलिस वालों ने कम से कम 110 से 120 पुलिस वालों की रिश्वत लेके गए.
If Qasim Bhai is to be believed, every officer up to the rank of senior inspector has to be bribed before the room could be constructed.
हम उसके साइड पे खड़े रहते थे. जो हमसे रिश्वत मांगने आता था उसको मैं नाम पूछता था, उसका पोस्ट नेम पूछता था, उसके साथ में कौन है वो पूछता था और अगर वो किसी और का भी अपने सीनियर का भी पैसा मांगता था मैं उसके बारे में पूछता था. वो कौन ऑफिसर है, उसका रैंक क्या है, उसका नाम क्या है, वो सब बताता था. तब मैं उसको रिश्वत देता था.
Headlines Today has not shot this video and thus cannot corroborate the authenticity. But if the claims made by the whistleblower are true, Maximum City's police brass will have to explain maximum corruption that has infested its ranks.
Certainly it is very shameful act, very unbecoming of a policeman. And that is why we have taken immediate action, and all the 36 persons who have been identified in the city, they have been placed under suspension, and now the inquiry has been given to Anti-Corruption Bureau. They will be taking further legal action in the issue.
Any idea why the Anti-Corruption Bureau in the first place did not accept this CD? They did not even want to take cognizance of what had happened.
See, I will not comment on why this Anti-Corruption Bureau did not accept in the first place, because that happened I think few days back. That only Anti-Corruption can reply to that. But as far as we are concerned, on our own, we have requested Anti-Corruption Bureau to probe the case.
Sir, is it true that the Mumbai police was forced to act only when the CD reached Mr. R.R. Patil and he instructed the commissioner to act on this?
No, it's not correct. Whenever we came to know that it is being played on this, in the media, on the TV channels, we came to know about it. In fact, 2 days before, our ACP, local ACP, was conducted the inquiry because this CD was received by the DCP and ACP was conducted.
When was that, sir? When did you receive it?
It was, I think, perhaps on 7th. 6th or 7th, and from 7th I think ACP started conducting the inquiry in that.
मैंने जिन ऑफिसर को पुलिस कर्मचारियों को पहचाना गया है उन्हें सभी को सस्पेंड करने की सूचना सीपी मुंबई को दे दी है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद लैक ऑफ सुपरविजन हो या इन्हें बढ़ावा देने वाले वरिष्ठ ऑफिसर हो, इसमें जो भी दोषी पाएंगे 3 दिन के अंदर हम उन पर भी कानूनी कार्रवाई करेंगे. एक पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर ही हुआ है और जितने भी लोग मिले हैं सब पर सस्पेंशन की कार्रवाई की है. हमेशा ऐसा कोई भी मामला सामने आया तो सरकार ने और वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों ने सख्ती से निपटा है. इतने बड़े पैमाने पर लोग सस्पेंड होने की पहली घटना है महाराष्ट्र में और हम किसी को बख्शेंगे नहीं.